Okay. Hi guys! Okay.
I'm here!
Tenny,
Finally. I put salt on a slug!
Yeah. Okay, so we're watching this slug and it's gonna like die.
Okay, Rhea, put salt on it.
Ew. It's like green. It's like sagging down.
That's what it's supposed to do. Oh! That's gross! Let's... It's pooing first. It poos before it dies. Oh, true. Ew, it poops.
Oh!
Kill it! The slug is dying. Guys, we don't
See,
need
it
to watch.
pooped.
Do you have any leaves here or something? Like a weed? Yeah. Yes, we have weeds.
Do you have good games?
Yeah, sort of. We just did Spore in Mario Kart.
You have Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Have you beaten it
Yeah, I
yet?
killed it. Okay, let's go. No, it's still recording.
No, it's still alive. No, it's moving, Rhea.
Because it's dead and it has to like shrivel up.
Okay, so let's give you footage of Tenny. Okay, move fast. Look how great with this.
Hi. I'm Tenny and I'm
Yeah, she's Tenny.
Stop it, Rhea!
That is Rhea the freak.
Stop it! Rhea, that's not okay. I thought that'd be funny. So, that's the slug dying. And we're at my house right now.
And we're going to make a Meet Tenny video that will be up really soon.
Officially. This is just Rhea. I saw a slug and Rhea got the salt.
Okay.